they're giving us a new fender as well. That's the black fender, we couldn't know the damage. So we just bring all the parts, and right now you're unloading another car, GS. Is that yours as well?
Yeah.
Good morning, Samir. How are you doing? You already broke the screen? Close it. Okay. 1, 2, and hold. Yes. And yeah, he's driving a really beautiful Lexus GTR, guys. Oh my god, that look, the GTR looks very good on black color. Today is the second day, guys. So last night, what exactly we did, guys, we bought all the spare parts from here except the headlight. So what happened when we take the front fender, the fender was actually black color, so it was night as well. When we take it to the garage, when we saw it in the light, when we saw it properly on the light, guys, there was small dents. So that what happened exactly on the same time, guys. On night I came back here and give him the parts, and he told me come in the morning to get all the parts. And except that, there was 2 other items we forgot to take it. So they make everything ready, guys. We're gonna take all of them. The support, we forgot to take it, so now here's it. And of course we forgot to get the spoiler. And of course, as you can see, they're giving us a new fender as well. That's the black fender, we couldn't know the damage, so now they opened the white one, guys. And except that, there'll be of course there'll be some small parts, guys. We have to take it afterward, because at the moment, right now we are not knowing what exactly item we are missing, guys. So yeah, there's nothing more in here, guys. To open the fender, I'm gonna take the fender, spoiler, supports, and yeah. So we take all of them, and then I have to go to get the headlight. Once I reach on the place for the headlight, I'm gonna explain you where we are getting the headlight. So we forgot one part, guys. The main part, the most important part, guys, I think, especially for the car, is the headlight, guys. And yeah, of course, who have the headlights? No one other than, guys, Mr. Azool. Yeah, I'm talking about our shop, guys. So I already make some videos about my work and the headlights, this kind of stuff, and most of the people knows, guys. And yeah, today I came here to get a headlight from my shop. Yeah. Yep. So right now I came to my store to see, do I have the headlight? I'm sure I have it, but I'm not sure where exactly I store it properly. That'll be for the Ls460 2010, and this is, I think, yeah, this is for the Ls460 2013 above. Yes, I have the headlight. Right now I'm gonna pick up this headlight, guys, and of course with other spare parts, guys, I'm gonna go to garage. We're gonna see what exactly they done to the car, guys. I think most of the important spare parts, guys, we got it. Right now I'm gonna go to my friend garage, Samir. So right now I'm on the way to my friend's showroom. As you can see, my car is full packed with the spare parts. That's the spoiler and fender, and everything else is on the trunk, guys. Anyway, guys, so I just called my friend. So I just called Samir. Samir right now is on the in his showroom, and unfortunately he doesn't have any car. So the thing is, I have to go and pick him up. After picking Samir, guys, from his showroom, we're gonna see if there's any special thing we're gonna record. If not, we'll be on the way to garage. Let's go. Good morning, Samir. How are you doing? You already broke the screen? Okay, Samir, what are you doing exactly? Can you give me any updates? And this is the first time I saw EcoBoost. So this is a 6-cylinder turbo or EcoBoost. Oh, sorry, 4-cylinder. It looks so small, you know? Really small. So what exactly you done to this car, Samir? The interior, yeah? The TV, the navigation. Can you start the car? No, the keys with me. I already took it. I'm smart. I know how to take it. You'll not notice. Okay, guys, this is the new system my friend just installed on his car, guys. And the first thing he told me this is look actually like, what do you call, the new Tesla's model, guys. It's fully screen, like it looks like an iPad. So let me start the engine. Is it keyless? Yeah, okay. Even the start button is on the TV. And the thing is, I noticed there's no any manual switch. Everything have to be touch screen. I just start the engine and my friend is working on the car as well, guys. But see this one, we have the Lamborghini wallpaper in here, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work. Okay, I need to switch off the AC, because whenever, so I need to first of all I need to switch off the AC. I should figure it out. Where is the AC? This is the AC, but I need to switch it off. There's something. Okay, I got it. I need to off it. Yes, okay. I switch off the AC, guys. So this is kind of confusing me, guys, because it looks like an iPad, and I think those people are making for like internationals, like every car can support it, because I can see here we have the Mercedes car, and here we have some Audi car. Like everything is totally different. There's no any sign this is specially made for what do you call, for Ford Mustang. I'm a little bit confused how this is working, and to be honest, the look is really good, but in my side, guys, I don't like this kind of stuff. Even I can browse the internet from here, guys. And yeah, that's all. Nothing else from the car, guys. From interior, it's like red redder with the black mix, and from the body, guys, we have a gray color. Yeah, that's all. What else you are doing, Samir, with it? Again, one more we're gonna try. Close it. Okay, 1, 2, and hold. Yes, it works. This is really cool, guys. This is not a special technology or very new, but you feel good in always switch on with the car, with the remote. This is mine? Samir, today I help you so much. I need to get some profit, some money from you.
I'll give you.
You give me shoes. So we just bring all the parts, and right now you're unloading another car, GS. Is that yours as well?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Samir, I have the headlight. You should buy it from me, okay? I have the headlight.
No. No.
Where's the LS? Here we go. Yeah. How we can go there? Fly from here. Oh my god. Okay, there, we're gonna see the process, we're gonna see the update for the car. What exactly they did, Samir? Nothing. What exactly? Yeah. So right now I think the garage is kind of rushed because they are unloading another car. That's also for Samir. And yeah, this also needs a little bit similar accident. I can see easily similar accident. Let's go back to our car. So let's go back to our car. As you can see, guys, they didn't open anything. I can see they removed like 2-3 covers. That's all. Nothing major work. Properly they have to open all the what do you call mechanic part. Yeah, they have to, I think, open all the mechanic part, remove all those stuff and replace it. Then it will be easy to move the car front or back, guys. And now we'll ask him what exactly is the plan. So right now I want to check this car as well, guys. And for those people who are enjoying this kind of videos, just comment down and tell me, do you think I have to make a separate video about this GS, how they're gonna fix it with everything like we are doing at the same thing with the Lexus Ls460 or not? If you guys want me to do, guys, make sure to comment, like this video, and of course share it so I can know that you're enjoying this kind of videos, guys. It will be interesting video. And from the side, guys, sign good, no any big scratches or no any damage. On left side as well, we're gonna check it out, guys, and I can see the engine is running smoothly. There's no any problem on the engine as well, guys. Checking the trunk. I'm sure 100 people already open it, you know, so there's no any chance we can get something good. I can see it. This is like been checked many times, you know. The spare is there, that's all. There's no any money, there's no any cash, there's no any gold, diamond. And Samir, I just noticed that we have Avalon 2019. That's yours as well?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a cool car. So guys, for those people who doesn't know, this is actually a new generation for the Avalon. Everything is changed from the engine, from the body, from interior. And the best thing, guys, I can see the headlight. This is have the triple LED design light, and of course it's looking so beautiful, guys. Actually, okay, so right now this is the plan. The time is almost 12 o'clock, guys. Normally people gonna close 12:30 till there'll be a break, a very long break till 4 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'll put the camera here till maybe 1 o'clock. The people in the garage, they're gonna work, and after that 4 o'clock I'll take my break, eat my lunch, then I come 4 o'clock to see what is the update, guys. Yeah, this is the plan. I'm gonna put the camera, they're gonna work on the car. Let's go. So right now we came back after small break, guys. The time is almost 5 o'clock. I'm a little bit late, and they already do the, what do you call, mizania? Samir, mizania will be what? Leveling?
No, they didn't do the mizania.
I mean, they're doing the... Okay, anyway, guys, they're pulling the frame to make it straight. After that, they told me they have to change them all mechanic part. So right now, I'm gonna talk to the owner. He will explain us more little bit what exactly the plan. Mr. Amin. Yep. कैसा अमीन भाई?
ठीक है भाई.
ठीक ठाक. Okay, अभी ये इसका गाड़ी का अभी कौन सा प्रोसेस में हम लोग और क्या करने का आगे में?
ये मेरा भाई है.
Okay.
इधर से विद्युत निकालेगा इधर से.
तो पहला बात ये हुआ जो पुराना सामान था हम लोग निकाला
okay.
और अभी आप फ्रेम को सीधा करेगा.
सीधा करेगा. सीधे करेगा.
Okay.
फिर दूसरा चीज इधर लगाना पड़ेगा.
तो ये नहीं लगाने का, ये आप निकालेगा.
हाँ. ये सीधे करके फिर आप नया डालेगा इधर.
फिर नया. So they're gonna pull up with this old one. After that it will be straight. Then they're gonna change it. So they don't want to damage the new one. हम इसको खराब करेगा ताकि सीधा होएगा. फिर इसको निकालेगा.
Okay.
और नहीं संभालो. So guys, this was the update for the 460, and yeah, special thanks to Mr. Amin who explained everything about the car. And yeah, my friend Samir, what the fuck are you talking about? Okay, sorry. So this is the plan, guys. Right now I have to go somewhere.
We'll try 1 month.
Yeah, so what happened exactly right now? I just put the GoPro on the garage, so they're gonna work, and of course GoPro gonna record them everything. And right now me and Samir have to go and deliver you one headlight.
Not me and you.
Yeah,
I'm
but
coming with you.
You're coming with me. So this is this area called industry number 4, yeah, and most of the, I can say, showrooms, no, the places who import cars from USA. This is one of the biggest one I saw already.
No, this
before.
is not the biggest one.
It's really famous. Most of the time I came, all Mercedes, Lexuses, and these guys I know. What do you call Najma Herat? Yeah, this is kind of
the back is cool.
You know, he owned a Maserati. This is his Maserati, and Lamborghini as well, and 2 Range Rovers as well. Guys, I just meet up my friend Islam who owned the garage of Intikhab, and yeah, he's driving and very beautiful Nissan GTR, guys. Oh my god, that look, the GTR looks very good on black color. Samir,
I'll talk to Salum.
Talk to Salum.
The block is number.
Oh yeah, it's block number. We'll see how you talk to Salum.
There's police here.
Go, the signal is green. I mean, it's getting red.
Hello. مستر سلوم، أنا حاليا سائق صناعية 2 وبشتري قطعة حق اللكزس جي اس. حصلت شيء عند عودة؟ عودة قال لي ما عنده. حسب البادي. هي طلبته.
This is one of my favorite color from any Lexus, the blue one. It looks really sexy, RC. Okay, at last we came to garage, guys. Maybe it was like 2 hours on the way, guys. As you can see, people still working, guys, and I don't want to disturb them, guys. So this is end of this video. This is day 2, guys. Today I don't do lot of stuff with this car. Like I was not here to see what exactly they done, but they worked so much, guys. They opened all the parts. So today a lot of work has done to this car, guys, but I was not following them, guys. I hope so they record, because I put the GoPro on here. I told them to, anytime you're working, try to record from GoPro, guys. Yeah, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow after. Go and hurry, guys. Either this video, I want to make it live tonight. Yeah, let's go. And like always, peace. So this is for those people who are watching my video till to the end, guys. And yeah, I was going to home, guys, and as you can see, the rain just started. This is amazing, guys. Even, you know, the sound for the rain, you always feel good.